The ACE vertical takeoff and landing Slipstream Elite is a futuristic personal transportation vehicle, offering luxury and ease of use in a high-performance two-seater electric vertical takeoff and landing aircraft. Its advanced lifting body, aerodynamics, and Slipstream design optimize airflow for efficient flight. The vehicle seamlessly transitions from vertical liftoff like a helicopter to high-speed forward flight like a plane. Maneuverability is exceptional due to the combination of low-speed quadcopter control and high-speed tilt thrust. No piloting skills are required, as the Slipstream Elite features remote-controlled operation with an advanced autopilot system, allowing passengers to relax and enjoy the ride. Its compact design ensures easy landings on private helipads, yachts, or even rooftops, providing unparalleled convenience for your travels. Named after visionary Soviet aircraft designer Roberto Bartini, the Bartini is an electric vertical takeoff and landing aircraft in development. Inspired by the Back to the Future movies, this project aims to revolutionize personal flight. Collaborating with a leading prototyping team in Russia, the creators built a half-scale ground-tested demonstrator featuring coaxial blades to increase thrust and reduce noise, which is essential for urban environments. The sleek design of the Bartini promises high speeds of up to 300 kilometers per hour, enabling quick commutes across cities within just 15 minutes. This innovative aircraft embodies a blend of advanced technology and futuristic vision, making urban air mobility a tangible reality. The CUDII, touted as the world's first smart dog bed, is set to revolutionize canine comfort and well-being. This innovative bed offers more than just a cozy spot to snooze. It features tailored amenities to pamper your pup and monitor their health. Imagine a bed that adjusts temperature to keep your dog cool or warm, provides a relaxing massage to ease stress, and plays calming music to help them sleep. The CUDII app allows you to personalize these settings and monitor your dog's vital signs remotely, including heart rate, respiration, and sleep patterns. It can even send alerts if potential health concerns are detected, giving you peace of mind. This high-tech bed prioritizes safety with built-in sensors and eco-friendly cooling and heating technology. With the CUDII, cuddles take on a whole new meaning, merging canine comfort with advanced health monitoring for the ultimate pampered pup. The Pressurized Rover, envisioned as a mobile scientific outpost on wheels by space agencies like NASA, is set to revolutionize lunar exploration. Unlike its predecessors, this rover features pressurized living and working quarters, allowing astronauts to extend their missions to days or even weeks, significantly enhancing their exploration range and scientific endeavors. Acting as a mobile laboratory, it houses advanced scientific instruments and robotics, enabling on-site research without the need for frequent returns to base. Its protective cabin shields astronauts from lunar radiation, allowing for safe, extended periods of work. Additionally, the rover can be operated remotely from the base, facilitating scientific exploration and preparing for future crewed missions. This innovative vehicle is a pivotal component in the future of lunar exploration, potentially paving the way for a sustained human presence on the moon. The dream of personal flight inches closer to reality, with Ascend Dynamics' SkyPak V1, an electric jetpack prototype. This revolutionary backpack-style design offers a thrilling flight experience. Unlike traditional jetpacks, SkyPak V1 uses 12 electric propellers mounted on a welded aluminum frame, keeping the pilot's view unobstructed, ideal for precision tasks like inspections or maintenance work. The SkyPak V1 is designed for both fun and functionality, enabling search and rescue teams to reach remote locations effortlessly, law enforcement to gain unique aerial perspectives, and firefighters to tackle blazes from new angles. Ascend Dynamics envisions multiple flight modes, including manual control for experienced users and autonomous options for beginners, ensuring paramount safety. With ongoing testing and refinements, the SkyPak V1 is paving the way for a future where personal electric jetpacks are no longer science fiction. The Superal Vertiport is a groundbreaking solution for the future of urban air mobility, strategically designed for seamless integration into city landscapes. Featuring a modular design, these vertiports ensure swift deployment and customization to adapt to diverse urban settings and traffic demands. Safety is paramount, with integrated landing pads, noise reduction systems, and cutting-edge docking technologies for secure electric vertical takeoff and landing operations. Emphasizing urban aesthetics, these vertiports blend into their surroundings and can incorporate public amenities or green spaces. As part of a comprehensive transportation network, they offer multimodal connectivity, linking with public transit and ride-hailing services. Committed to sustainability, Superal Vertiports employ eco-friendly materials and renewable energy sources, minimizing environmental impact. With their debut, urban transportation transcends conventional boundaries, providing efficient, sustainable, and safe air travel within cities. TenFold Engineering's unfolding building prototype marks a groundbreaking advancement in temporary structures with its ingenious folding design. Imagine a structure that expands effortlessly at the push of a button, making construction crews and heavy machinery unnecessary. In just 8 minutes, this mobile marvel transforms from a compact unit into a spacious edifice, up to 5 times its original size. Prefabricated components unfold to create walls, floors, and exterior panels, offering unparalleled flexibility. The interior layout can be customized with folding partitions, creating adaptable spaces suitable for residences, offices, shops, or disaster relief shelters. TenFold's vision extends beyond mobility. Their units are engineered for sustainability, potentially featuring off-grid capabilities. This versatility allows for deploying these innovative structures in remote areas or regions with limited resources, reshaping the landscape of temporary architecture. The Icon, a collaborative effort between BMW and TIDE, redefines luxury electric boating with its innovative design and sustainable performance. Measuring 13.15 meters, this exceptional vessel uses hydrofoils to lift the hull above the waterline, minimizing drag and achieving an impressive top speed of 30 knots with remarkable efficiency. Powered by electricity and equipped with high-voltage batteries similar to BMW's electric cars, it ensures sustainable, emission-free operation diverging from traditional fuel-dependent models. Luxury permeates every aspect of the Icon, from its spacious cabin adorned with plush seating, a table, and a sofa reminiscent of a high-end lounge, to the smooth, virtually wave-free ride facilitated by the hydrofoils. Offering passengers an unparalleled boating experience akin to gliding on water, the Icon is more than just a vessel. It stands as a symbol of innovation, sustainability, and uncompromising luxury, appealing to discerning boating enthusiasts.
I don't wanna keep on second guessing, 'cause guessing is you.